feel like I have all the treasures of the earth. I want our love so strong, stronger than it ever was.
He can never lose me. It is together forever.
I want us to take an oath.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
We will never defile our bodies with any other man in life.
Why would you choose to disappoint me like this? Why? But I told you that they parted ways. I just saw them together, holding hands. And that useless boy had the guts to talk back at me. I am not afraid of you.
Neither am I afraid of your police escort.
The next time I see this miscreant around you, I'll kill him.
You want to abandon me in this torture just because you are chasing money?
Go and tell that Donatus that I said he must rot in jail. It was you. And you had the guts to say it to my face. You killed my son.
It was an accident. I did not. She did it. I did it.
Young man, sir, you are under arrest for the murder of Mr. Uchenna Udoka.
You think I told you casted a spell on him? You witch. Did you just call me a witch? Yes! You shit.
Can't you see that Obinna and I are meant to be together?
What have I not done for you to make sure you get rid of that boy? It must end today. Fine.
Of course, Mazi, you know how much I've invested in you. So much in you.
No way I will leave him.
Your ever-cherished King is getting married today to another man.
Leave me alone!
I want our love engraved in the rock of ages, that neither rain, sunshine, or wind can wipe it off the head.
What have you done, Arab?
What this life would have been without you. You're my one.